on this adventure of Dad Jobs DIY, we're going to take a look at this Ace hardware sprayer and whether or not it will be a good product for your job today. All right, well, I'm going to put this thing together, put it to use, seal this concrete walkway. Hey guys, it's AJ with Dad Jobs. So, are you guys someone with one of these cheap handheld pump sprayers? They work, but at least in my experience, they could break pretty easily. So this one was losing pressure, but now this pressure relief valve isn't working anymore. So I ran up to Ace Hardware to get a new sprayer, and I picked up this Ace Hardware hand pump sprayer, which should be able to do the job right as I was about to do this concrete ceiling for my walkway. And this one, the pressure relief is completely gone, so now I can't use this one. So on this adventure of Dad Jobs DIY, we're going to take a look at this Ace hardware sprayer and whether or not it will be a good product for your job today. So I already cut the tape open. Got the tube and the hand wand and the sprayer, or the tank with the hand pump. Looks like this one's 1 gallon, this one was 2 gallon. So 2 gallon would have been nice, but 1 gallon will do fine for us here, at least from my applications. All right, well, I'm gonna put this thing together, put it to use, seal this concrete patio or concrete walkway, and let you know if it's a good product for your job. It does look a little bit better quality already with the tube and the tank and the pump, as well as this is the pressure relief valve for this one. And this is the pressure relief valve for this one. This one looks a little bit more legit, so looks a little more better quality. Let's put it to use and I'll show you how it works and how well it will work for you today. Also, this channel is powered by you guys, the moms, dads, and DIYers out there. If you could, give us a subscribe, help support our channel, and we greatly appreciate it. Now I'll show you the performance of this sprayer. Let's go. Okay, so it looks like this is the tube that goes inside here. It does have a nice little filter in case there's any debris. Here is the wand. It does look like it has a locking mechanism, so once you push it in, you can lock it like that, which is nice, so you don't have to hold down the button the whole time. This is to fill it. Looks clean, looks good. Alright, now this is going to be a little bit tricky. Actually, here, this might make it easier. I'll disconnect this. I'll pour it from here. That'll make it easier. If you are interested in learning about the concrete sealer, I have a video on how that process went, including using this sprayer. I'll link to it up in the corner. Alright guys, so last step is putting in the hand pump. Screw that in, just as such. So once it's tight, you actually can turn the handle like that, start pumping. Oop. Pumped it a little too much. And then once you do that, you can hold it by pushing it in and turning it. So the reason why it started pumping is because I had this locked. Forgot that I showed you how to lock it. Alright, so a couple things. One, I want to get this so that it's spraying kind of in a wide spray rather than a focused spray. So I don't know if I'm might have to test it a little bit. probably like a dozen pumps. It should work. There we go. Now this is a spray. I was able to adjust this nozzle to get it to do a spray versus a focus. As you can see, there's a little bit of pulling here on the steps. You don't necessarily want that. So you can soak it up with a towel or paper towel. I'm going to finish this before I soak up my conditioner. Okay guys, well that was the first application. In terms of the use of the sprayer, it sprayed really nicely. So I utilized and turned the nozzle to give it a spray rather than a focused squirt, and it ended up covering really well. The pump had really good pressure. It was easy, just like, you know, a dozen pumps generally, or, you know, when I was finishing up, give it like 5, 6, which is nice and primed. Yeah, using this concrete sealer, it flowed really well. I could probably use this to release the pressure. There you go, perfect, that worked. So yeah, guys, I would highly recommend this Ace Home & Garden hand pump sprayer. I got it for 15 bucks because I got $5 off signing up for the rewards. In terms of everything, I'd probably give this product a 5 out of 5. I don't see really any drawbacks. 5 hammers out of 5 hammers. Dad Jobs DIY hammers. Great score for this Ace Hardware Home & Garden pump sprayer. The only thing is, if you wanted to go like $38, you can get the 2-gallon one. But this 1-gallon one did perfectly. Thanks guys. Again, if this was helpful, please comment down below. Let us know. We greatly appreciate your engagement and your support. Thanks for all the dads, moms, and DIYers out there. We do this for you. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Dad Jobs DIY tips and tricks. We greatly appreciate it. All right, you can do it. Now get to it. We'll see you soon.